I'm here in Cheung Chau. It's about 1 hour on the slow ferry and a bit shorter on the fast ferry from Central, one of the islands in Hong Kong. It's most renowned for its seafood, for its fishing. It's got a nice beach that I'm going to check out later, but I'm particularly here for camping in Hong Kong. I bet you didn't know much about it. From time immemorial, tourists have liked to get out of the city, get out of the hustle, get out of the bustle, get out of the busyness and go into the nature by camping. So camping has been popular for many decades, many centuries. As incomes have grown, we've seen the rise of so-called glamping, glamour camping, where those people who may not want to rough it while camping can have some luxuries but still enjoy the outdoors and go glamping. No, I'm not in North America. I'm actually here in Cheung Chau, Hong Kong, where I've come to Sai Yuan Farm. I have an opportunity to stay in a Native American teepee for the night while I'm camping. Also, at this campground in Cheung Chau, tourists have an opportunity to stay in African style tents, like the ones you can see here. Novelty seeking is a motivation for tourists, so staying in unusual accommodation is a big attraction for tourists. And here you can stay at a stargazing geodesic dome, which is essentially a dome with some hard plastic outdoor walls, so you can see the stars and the scenery both in the day and the night. It's like living in a bubble. Another type of tent camping is in these Mongolian gurs. So don't go to Mongolia. You can see they're cylindrical and that usually have a pot-belly stove or some sort of heating in the middle of them. You can also stay in one of these right here in the middle of Hong Kong, not too far away from the hustle and bustle of Central and Victoria Harbour. Often, campgrounds put on some paid or free activities. Common activities include things like the high ropes course. Here, I'm doing some African drumming, laying down some beats. There was also opportunities to play bubble soccer, to do some archery, or ride on some segways. So this is another thing that's great for families when they camp. Sai Yuan Farm was at the bottom of Cheung Chau Island, so it was possible to get a traditional Hong Kong boat, the sampan, back to the main ferry terminal. Apart from the great beach in Cheung Chau, the other attractions are the Bun Festival held here in May and the Pad Thai Temple, one of the oldest in Hong Kong. There's also 4 Tin Hau temples, which is the god of fishing. The island is in the shape of a dumbbell, so sometimes it's referred to this nickname, Dumbbell Island.